Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add items on your wish list on Shein. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you're simply gonna go ahead, open up your Shein app. Once you have opened, this is how the interface gonna look like. And from over here, you're gonna be going ahead and first of all going to this little favorite icon on top right corner, and then you're gonna go to boards. And then you're going to create yourself a wish list or a board. Tap on create board, and there we go. And first thing first, from the favorite items, I can simply go ahead and choose the item that I would like to add. Let's say this is the one. Tap on add to board, and I have successfully added the particular item to the new board that I had just created. Now if you want to simply add more items, you can go ahead, choose a category, and check out the products that you want to buy. Once you have got the product you want to buy, you're going to go ahead, tap on this little favorite icon, because there is no option for that. You either have to add to your cart or to the favorite. Tap on favorite. Now let's go ahead and then get others as well. You're going to tap on again favorite. We're going to again scroll down and get another bottle and tap on favorite. There we go. Now we're going to go back and we're going to go to our home section again and tap on this little heart icon, which is the favorite icon on top right corner. Now we have found all of the products that are on here in the favorite list. We're going to be going to the boards. We're going to choose our particular board. We're going to tap on add item, and we're going to add the item we had just favorited, which we want to buy, and tap on add to board, and they will be listed. That's how easy for you to simply add it to a cart and create a new add to wish list. And so hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.